Today is a big day for Samsung as they're about to reveal the new Galaxy S24 series. But just before that, here we have another unboxing video of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Yesterday, we saw 3 unboxing videos of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now we have a new one. Ice Universe has posted unboxing video of Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra. As we can see in this video, Galaxy S24 Ultra can be seen in titanium violet. And no doubt it looks beautiful. The videos show that Samsung has changed its design for the Galaxy S24 Ultra by using a flat screen instead of curved screens like before. The Galaxy S24 Plus is in marble gray color. According to Ice Universe, marble gray Samsung S24 Plus exposed for the first time. The design looks same as we have already seen in the renders. At the end, the Galaxy S24 is in black color. After the unboxing videos, here we have some more real-life photos. One photo of the Galaxy S24 Ultra in titanium violet, and in the second picture we have the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra. Galaxy S24 Ultra in titanium gray, Galaxy S24 Plus is in non-titanium violet color, and the Galaxy S24 is in amber yellow. And no doubt, all devices looking beautiful. On the big launch day of the 3 top-of-the-line Android phones, the S24 and S24 Ultra unexpectedly made an appearance on an official Samsung website in the Caribbean, starting the day bright and early. Certainly, it's clear that this wasn't supposed to happen, especially with several hours remaining until the Unpacked announcement event. That's why Samsung acted quickly to remove the listings of the 2 products. The internet has a way of preserving information, and Google Cache versions of the listings are still available, showing us official images of the Galaxy S24 and S24 Ultra in 4 attractive colors. These images confirm what we've seen in promotional pictures for the past few weeks. It's always reassuring to have confirmation from the official source, even though it's likely that someone at Samsung made a mistake and may face consequences for test scores on Twitter. As we can see in this tweet, CID says, "Crazy Geek Bench Scores. Galaxy S24 Ultra scores 2333 in the single-core test and 7118 in multi-core test. The US version Galaxy S24 Ultra has the highest multi-core score. As you can see in the screenshot, Galaxy S24 Ultra US version has 2323 single-core test and 7213 in multi-core test. In Australia, customers pre-ordering the Galaxy S24 series might get some great benefits. These include a free storage upgrade, a gift card worth up to $150, and trade-in credit of up to $500. Additionally, leaked information reveals details about the memory and color options for the entire Galaxy S24 series, which includes the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra. When you pre-order the Samsung Galaxy S24 series online, you'll get a gift card. Here are the details for each model. If you pre-order the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and you'll get a $150 gift card. If you pre-order the Galaxy S24 Plus, and you'll receive a $100 gift card. If you pre-order the Galaxy S24, and you'll also receive a $100 gift card. In addition to the gift cards and storage upgrades, customers in Australia will also enjoy trade-in benefits when purchasing the Galaxy S24 series. This trade-in benefit can go up to a $500 gift card. Also, there's something important we haven't talked much about, the performance of the S24 Ultra. Ice Universe says Samsung has made a big improvement in how smoothly animations work and the overall performance in previous flagship phones. The S24 Ultra has exciting things coming, not just with camera upgrades, but also in giving users an overall better experience, setting a new standard for top-end phones from Samsung. Here's a quick comparison of Galaxy S23 Ultra versus S24 Ultra. Twitter user at Workaholic David has posted a photo in which he marks some of the things in red color. And he says in his tweet that differences between Galaxy S23 Ultra versus S24 Ultra are in red. Pause the video here and check out all the differences. Introducing the Galaxy S24 Ultra, showcasing a generous 6.8-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display with a crisp resolution of 3088 by 1440. It incorporates Samsung's advanced M13 OLED panel, safeguarded by the durable Gorilla Glass Victus 2. For capturing stunning selfies, there's a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera. On the back, the phone features an outstanding camera setup, including a 200-megapixel primary lens, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 50-megapixel 3x telephoto lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with an impressive 10x optical zoom. Contrary to earlier rumors, it is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 across all regions, distinguishing it from the S24 and S24 Plus, which stick with the Exynos. The S24 Ultra offers a substantial 12 gigs of RAM with storage choices of 256, 512 gigs, and 1 terabyte storage, leveraging USF 4.1 technology. The Galaxy S24 Ultra houses a robust 5,000 mAh battery supporting swift 45-watt fast charging. Connectivity features encompass 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. Operating on One UI 6.1 based on Android 14, this premium device is anticipated to launch with an approximate price tag of $1,250. So overall, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra introduces a fresh design with enhanced durability and a significantly brighter display. With upgraded hardware and numerous new AI features, the inclusion of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in all Ultra models appears to be a smart move by Samsung. The overall improvements across the entire lineup suggest that these phones are poised for success. While the similarities to the predecessor might not entice S23 Ultra owners to rush for an upgrade, the S24 series is an excellent choice for those with older S phones or those considering their first S phone. Are you excited for the Galaxy S24 Ultra? Comment below. As always, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.